Yellow.
Hey! Hey guys, it's me, Manna Steel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel if you are new. This is gonna be like a Roomies vlog, doing a few shopping errands.
We will buy the we will buy this stuff for sure.
We're gonna buy everything at home.
Yeah, we will buy.
For our home.
We will buy the brand.
Yes, we're gonna buy the brand. We actually are shareholders.
Yes,
we're going to a meeting right now.
Yes.
But Omar and Baloo, they need to get some stuff for their room. I need to get a new cover for my bed because it's not big enough. And then our other roommate's here, but y'all, we're gatekeeping her for now. Y'all will have to unlock her later if you earn it. Mannafests, you have to earn it. Let's go. Let's go. Look at all the Halloween stuff. Why does that kind of look like Omar? Why does that kind of look? Trick or treat.
Twin.
It's your twin?
Yes. Oh my God. Jordan, you remember?
What?
The thing that
math? Hi, editing Jordan here. Ignore, please. Omar was asking me if I remembered how last year I went through an era of wanting a onesie really bad. I'm wearing a robe now. Before I had this robe, I wanted a onesie really bad, and Omar was trying to ask me if I remembered, but I didn't understand because he was going like, you wanted one of this. I was like, a wig? Mask? It's gonna come back around. Okay, y'all. So my bed is like yellow and gray.
Where is the size? Queen.
Or full/queen.
No, queen.
Queen.
That means it fits both.
No, queen is.
No,
but queen.
Okay.
Oh! But I'm thinking of these two. I just don't know what the size of this one is.
No,
it doesn't say. It doesn't say. What are you?
No, it stays the size. Oh shit.
No, it doesn't.
No, it stays it's queen.
Yeah, but what is this one? Oh, full/queen.
Got you.
No, cause why did he eat me up like that? Omar, how are you getting back to the dorm? Or apartment? It's an apartment, not even a dorm. I can't say
one floor house.
It's a house.
One floor house.
One floor house. Actually, we own the whole building.
Yes.
Oh, this one's cute as well. It's not nature.
No, natural.
Natural.
Yes. But it's fresh.
It's dead now. Ooh, why are my fingers all the... Watching Baloo try to reach for these are funny. These kids are crazy. I don't know what they're doing. This is the comforter I'm getting. She's cute. She's gray. Is this the one y'all are getting?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Ooh. Yes, looks delicious.
Outside.
Y'all, it is so humid.
No, it's not. He's lying.
Look at my hair.
No, it's not.
Isn't it humid?
Oh, no, terrible. I hate these words.
Yeah, she's fed up. But look at the braids. But I'm washing my hair today, so whatever, don't matter. Tell me why Omar and Baloo kept asking, do they have any poof? And they kept just repeating, poof? I'm thinking snow. I'm thinking drugs. Poof? Like smoke? Bomb? Tell me why they were trying to say beanbag.
Beanbag is a dumb thing. That's a dumb name.
Because it's like the little beans inside of it.
It has nothing to do with that.
No. It's giving program. Do you have a program? You got a poof? A what? Because when you showed me the picture and I saw a beanbag, I said, a beanbag? You know, a poof is cute. That's cute. I'm gonna start saying that. Where's my poof? I need a poof. Rap panda. Woo. Is it good? It's good. Chef's kiss. Is your stuff good? I'm not recording. It's good? Do you want to be in it? Yes. Is it good? Yes. We're gonna see. Also, if you guys want some, you can have some.
I don't know.
Real good. It's a really bad angle, but it's okay. Okay, it's like really stale.
Yeah, really good.
It says you're savvy in all business matters. What did yours say?
A thrilling time lies ahead.
Period. And a thrilling time lies. What did your fortune cookie say?
A great pleasure in life is doing what others say you can't.
Ooh, that's right. What's yours?
Don't be afraid to say sorry.
Don't be afraid. Are you afraid, Omar?
No, are you?
Exactly. Yes.
I can't see that.
Why did you say I can see that? How are you getting back to the apartment?
I will run.
Oh, skinny.
Skinny.
So in like 2 minutes of getting here, Omar's like throwing me around. Balu's trying to grab the carts with all the stuff and junk in it. Someone probably wiped their butt with those, like, I don't know, the towels in it and stuff like that. And then Balu tries to run someone over with the cart. And then a lady sits off the emergency exit. I'm going home. This is crazy. I forget what I need to grab. I'll probably be doing some shopping on Amazon. Yeah. Onesie.
Holy motherfucker. Is this a good size? What is this size?
Oh, they have more. Look, they have more. Onesies. This is what Omar was trying to say I wanted. I did want a onesie. Wait, where's the cart? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We leaving the cart behind. Balu bag finna get snatched. It's hard being the mother of the group. It's just really hard. It's too much. Take off your shoe and stick a leg in.
Yeah. Trying here.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at. Sir, put your clothes back on. Just like no, like stick your leg in.
I would say that.
Does that fit?
Of course. Not that the height is important.
Which size is this?
Large. Yeah, this is a little bit.
Yes, XL.
Oh, it's him running around. Who is this grown man in the onesie?
2XL.
Why is there a man in a onesie? No comment. Mommy, there's a man taking off his clothes. What the fuck? Mama! Wah, wah. He's walking around with the onesie on. Oh.
You got it right.